Hi, I am Suhan and today we are gonna see binary tree post order traversal. In this, we have given a root of binary tree and we have to return the post order traversal of the node's value. Post order traversal means the root comes at last and the leaves comes first in the order. We have to return an array which will represent the order. In this first example, you can see that first is 3, 2 and 1, means it is going upwards from leaves to the root. So many examples are given here, you can check it. And the concept we are going to use today is recursion, and the algorithm or the type we are using is DFS, depth first search. In this we will going to the leaves using recursion, and then we will append 3 then 2 then 1 to a list. I have solved it in the first try and then tried to make it faster. First it was 32 seconds and at last I made it 24 milliseconds. First it was 32 milliseconds and then it became 24 milliseconds. The memory usage got up by 0.3 MB from 14 MB to 14.3 MB. It was a trade-off between time and space, so I choose it. I wanted time to be much faster, so I did it. First we will take a look on the easy solution or a basic solution which we will be using, then we will improve it. You can see this solution was 50% of the Python 3 submissions. And let's go to the solution. First of all, I assigned I initialized a new variable called post order list. In this we will store all the, or this is the variable in which we will store the order of the tree and return it at last. I made a function called return node. In this function, first I check that the root is none, and then I call it init, means I use here recursion so that it goes till the node val the node is none and then returns it. Same for the right, and after it appends the value of the root to the post order list. In this you can see first I am going the left and it will run till it finds none, and same for the right, it will recurse itself till it finds none. Then when it finds none, then I will append the root dot value. When it finds none, it will return and it come to the first one or the previous node, and after it same for the right, and after that I will append the value of the root or the current node to the post order list. And this procedure will go on. It's a simple recursion, and yes, if you know recursion then you can do it. If you do not know recursion, I will suggest you the video of Computer File on YouTube. They have discussed the concept of recursion in a simple way and it's much easier to understand. If you understand recursion, then this question is a piece of cake for anyone. If you don't understand recursion, then it will feel a bit harder to understand, but you can understand it. Now let's see the another one which takes only 24 seconds. In this it was 94% runtime, and you can see here. In this I have made changes so that the post order list is not in the return. Here you can see I'm not taking the argument post order list. I have assigning the order when it is initialized or when the class is initialized. I am assigning so it will not be called again and again, and only be called when I want it. In this line I am calling it using the self in the class. And I also not I also removed this one. Wait, I also removed this if root is none and replaced it with if root. Means if root is valid, then only use this. If not, then do not do anything here. So it reduces the time complexity, or you can see it makes the code bit faster. If you don't understand this one, then I highly suggest you that first understand this and then try this one, as it is much, or you can say that it is much optimized than this code. But this code is also good, but for speed some changes affect it. Now let's see the time complexity of it. Here we are only calling a function, and in this function we are only appending it. So it is of O of 1, and the overall solution of this function is O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the tree. As we will be using recursion and going to every node, so it will be O of n, where n is the number of nodes on the tree. So thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt, be free to ask me. I will try to solve it. Thanks.